Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we will go looking for Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Wow. Piston car, lots of cars here. Wow, Dinoco King.
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston?
Yeah, Dinoco King, very cool. Wow, purple racing car. Wow. Hey friend, here's Lightning McQueen. Wow. Wow. Very big Lightning McQueen.
I'm American made, but a large Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
Wow, Dinoco, Cruz Ramirez.
Number was McQueen's idea. He felt Hud would have wanted you to have it.
I?
Wow, who it is? This is Jackson Storm.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great race today.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. McQueen. You have no idea what a pleasure it is for me to find.
Wow, fabulous Hudson Hornet.
It's just an empty cup.
Wow, a pink car. Hey, it's Sherift, the police car.
I tell you, don't.
Oh no.
Oh, maybe he can help me. He's shooting at me. Why is he shooting at me? I haven't gone this fast in years.
Wow, cold weather.
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great race. I was, hey, Good stuff. Ah, laugh it up. Real fun.
Wow, shoot Todoroki. Wow, Jackson Storm.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Wow, wow, Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
The King and Chick rounding turn 4.
And down the stretch they come, and it's...
Wow, monster truck Lightning McQueen. Well, hey, it's a black racing car. Wow, racing car again.
Well, that's weird.
Hey, hey, it's monster truck tomato. Wow, Cruz Ramirez.
It's just like being on a real
Wow, Hudson Hornet. Wow, yellow Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Driving in deep and hope it sticks. Go!
Wow. Wow, flow here.
I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Hey, it's Ramon.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Wow, more racing car. Wow, wow, Jackson Storm.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right?
Wow, racing car again. Okay friend, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.